Hello and welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing. This time we're opening up a real heavyweight from the Airfix archive, the Republic P-47D Thunderbolt. Originally released all the way back in 1966, the example we have here is a 1984 boxing. Presented in that cool photographic box art style. This kit was last seen in the Airfix range in 2009, and it feels like one of those subjects that never really fades from memory. One nice surprise straight away, this kit was completely sealed when we got it, which means everything inside is just as it should be. And lifting out the contents, the parts actually look really good, especially considering the age of the tooling. The mouldings are clean, and there's a reassuring sense of solidity that mirrors the aircraft itself. The P-47 itself has a remarkable story. Designed as a high-performance fighter, it became one of the toughest and most versatile aircraft of the Second World War. From high-altitude escort duties to ground attack work, it earned a reputation for taking punishment and still bringing its pilots home. That sense of rugged reliability really comes through in the kit here. It's a classic subject handled in a very classic Airfix way, and a fascinating snapshot of how these kits were presented and built across generations. There are two rather small clear parts included, keeping things simple in the cockpit and canopy department. The decal sheet comes in a light grey tone, and has aged a little over time, but it still looks perfectly usable. With a bit of care we're sure it would settle down nicely and do the job. The decal options themselves look strong, offering some appealing schemes that really underline the Thunderbolt's operational history. The instructions are presented in a classic exploded view, which instantly dates the kit. It's that familiar Airfix style where parts seem to float into place from every direction. They look fairly clear overall, though as always with these older layouts, a careful read through before starting would be time well spent. And if you've enjoyed this deep dive back through the archive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more retro unboxings.